Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a computer with the latest iTunes or Finder and a reliable lightning cable, because the restore uses your computer's software. Once done, power the iPhone 7 Plus off, then connect it to the computer while holding volume down. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. You do this because recovery mode lets the computer communicate with the phone even if it's locked, and you need that link to run the restore or update operations that remove the lockout. On the computer, select the iPhone when it appears in Finder or iTunes. Choose Update first because it attempts to reinstall iOS without erasing user data. If the update fails or the device stays locked, choose Restore to erase and reinstall the operating system. This removes the passcode but deletes content. The software will download firmware and apply it. Make sure your internet is stable. If recovery mode repeatedly fails, you move to DFU mode, which forces a deeper restore and is the next escalation. Once the restore finishes, you'll go through setup. Choose to restore from a backup if available or setup is new. Make sure to sign in with the Apple ID that was previously linked to remove activation lock. Without that Apple ID, the device remains locked. If you cannot provide credentials, contact Apple support with your original proof of purchase so they can help. If something goes wrong earlier, try a different lightning cable or port, reboot the computer, or retry using DFU mode for a deeper recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.